Eventually, through time passing and growing bored of myself, I stuck my hands in dirt and started tending to our beautiful lemon tree, which was where I started to notice all the buzzing cycle of life. The ferocious insects that fight so hard to survive. Death and new beginnings. And slowly, rest began to creep in. It's not the kind of crash on the sofa, turn on the TV kind of rest. For me personally, the kind of rest I experience living here is one I can only achieve when I truly face myself. Here, rest becomes presence.